Okay, hi, my name is Salum Khalid, the mechanical design associate. Yes, today I want to go step by step, make use of a global values and equations in a software. You sometimes want to modify your model in any stage of your design, so you need to make sure you know the use of global values and equations in a software so that can make changes at any stage of your design. Let's make a simple example on how to make use of those equations in a software. Okay, let's sketch a simple model. Yes, model like that one. And yes, before putting some dimension, you just go to tools and then equation. Yes, you can put your equations here. Like it's an example, I put a enter, and then on a I put like 12. Yes, and then b is going to be 20, and then c is gonna be 6, and then d is gonna be like 8. Sorry, 8. Yes, enter. Now that's it, and then okay. And I choose dimension and then choose that value. You're just gonna have to put equal sign for you to be able to make an equation on a dimension. If you choose like if you choose 8, if you go to that value and then put 8, it will simply translate that value and put in a dimension without any equation symbol on that dimension. So it will not make any change when you want to modify that value. So what you have to do is to choose, you type equal sign and then go to global value and choose, let's say, b, then like that, and okay, that's it. You see the symbol for an equation, and go to that one as well, and then choose type equal sign, go to global value and choose b, no, not c, choose c, and then yes, this one as well, this one is equal to that one, and maybe you can draw another circle there, and this circle is going to have equal sign and then to the global value and put d, let's say divide by 2. Yes, and going to draw another circle at the end, and this circle is going to have equal sign and then on a global value then put like 6. Yes, c divided by 2. Yes, that's it. And then on my, those are the equations which I have made. And then go to extrude. Yes, on extrude I'll put equal sign as well, and go to global value and then choose d as my extrude value, and that's it. I go to annotations and I want to display my feature dimensions. Yes, that's it. And I even want to see this one, and go to, no, I want just to go, Yes, like that. So if I put like that, my questions may appear simply like that. And yeah, let's now try to make some modifications on the modifications on those values. As you can see there, yes, let us now make some changes. If you want to make some modification on that model, then you go to equations, right click the equation and then manage the equations. That's the first technique to modify the value. Then let me put 10, and I put here like 21, 22, 22, and I just put here like 7, and I put here like 9. If you click OK, you see those values have been changed. This one has been changed, and this value as well has been changed. This has been changed. All of them have been changed. So that's how you can modify your model using the equation and the global values. But when you click on the equation, right click on the equation, manage the equations, then you can see different equations on the table. Okay, and then that's the first technique on how to modify direct from the table, from the equation table. And then you can just export your equations and put, let's say this is question 2. There's another file on my desktop called equation, so I just put like question 2 cell on a desktop and save that. But before saving, I want only just to modify these values of A up to D, so I untick all those values which I don't want to modify later on my design. So yes, and then click export. Yeah, these questions are now linked to my external file, and say okay. Yes, now if I want to modify my model from outside, and then I can modify these values from outside in my equation file, and I can do like that. This is the 2, this is 20, this is gonna be like 8, and this is gonna be like 10. Then file, go to file and then save and exit out. And when I go back to my model and rebuild, yes, the values are now changed like there you can see. So that's how to modify your model and your design state in your design. You can do this and at any moment in your design process very easily like that. So that's how to make use of the global values and equations in a software to modify your design or your model easily like that. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and see you in the next tutorial, and bye bye.